Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today I'm gonna show you data network problem solve. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your data. If you see here, your data is not working, you just have to turn on the button of airplane mode. Then again, you have to turn off the button of airplane mode. By this, your data network problem will be solved. That's it. So this is how to solve data network problem in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.